Let's start with downloading iLRN. If you are using your personal computer, you can use the link provided to download iLRN. Simply go to the iLRN website and scroll down to the download option. The install and setup process can take up to 15 minutes. Once installed, you will be prompted to create your iLRN account. If you are a Georgian employee or student, please use your Georgian college email. If you are a guest of Georgian, please use your professional email. Be sure to keep your username and password in a safe place. The Georgian iLRN team will not be able to retrieve account passwords on your behalf. Once you have created your iLRN account, you will be directed to create your avatar. You can personalize your avatar by using the selections to the left. Once you have completed, you can use the selections to the right to save and exit. You will enter the iLRN Open Campus at the Welcome Area and Info Desk checkpoint. When you arrive at the Welcome Area in iLRN, you will see a sign directly in front of you that says, "Click here to access your private team suite." Click on the sign and a box will appear requesting a passcode. Enter the passcode and please click the Remember Passcode box, then Submit. Once you click Submit, you will be teleported to the Georgian Hub. From here, you will use the doors to the left to go to the different spaces within the private suite. To turn your mic on and off, click the microphone image in the bottom left corner of your screen. Use the directional arrows on your keyboard to move your avatar forward, backward, left, and right. You can also use your mouse and click, but you have more control with the directional arrows. You can run by pressing the Shift key while moving forward. To control your head, press the spacebar once and use your mouse to look around. Press the spacebar again once to lock your head in position. Go through the first door titled Georgian Office and Meeting Suite. This will take you to the main Georgian reception desk, offices, boardrooms, and meeting rooms. Once you arrive, use the Go To menu to navigate through the space. When you click Go To, a drop-down menu will appear with boardrooms, end caps, and offices at the top. Use these selections to teleport through the space. To return to the hub from anywhere in iLRN, use the Go To drop-down and select Access Room with Passcode. Your passcode is saved, so just click Submit and you will be teleported back to the hub. Thank you for following these instructions, and I look forward to seeing you in iLRN.